Hello, welcome in this YouTube channel Coding Click. Today I am going to present a demo class on Python. So let's start. What is a Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. The thing which we should clear about the Python that was designed in 1991, but the marketing in 2021, 2020 or from 2019. It means these days there is lot of demand of Python. Why? The question and the answer of this question is that आज डिमांड क्यों है, क्योंकि जो पाइथन लैंग्वेज है ये डेटा साइंस की लैंग्वेज है। डेटा मैनिपुलेट करना, डेटा को मैनिपुलेट करना और डेटा को एनालिसिस करना, डेटा से रिपोर्ट्स बनाना मीन्स इट इज़ कैपेबल टू दिस लैंग्वेज इज़ कैपेबल टू डेवलप डेटा analysis and to report based on the data. These days data is very important for every company, either it is marketing company, there is e-shopping company like Amazon, Flipkart or other company, online shopping company, or for IT as well as telecommunication company like Airtel, Vodafone and Idea. Use of Python is not only for data analysis, this is used for web development also. We can use offline software development, mathematics. This is for data analysis. There is a different library in Python we can use for data analysis. System scripting. Why Python? Python works on different platform like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. This is also main reason why we are using Python. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Earlier you also learned about many languages like C, C++, C Sharp, Java. The same thing we can do in Python, but we can use Python these days very much due to its simplicity means we can use simple statements to do the same work we were doing in C or C++ or other languages. Python is object oriented programming language, and object oriented programming language we use concept of class and object in Python, and this is high level language. Python has syntax that allow developer to write program with fewer lines than some other programming language. I already explained you about this concept. Python syntax compared to other programming language, Python was designed for readabilities and has some similarities to the English language with influence from mathematics. English language की तरह इसमें influence है from mathematics. Python use new line to complete the command as opposed to other programming language like C, C++. Python relies on indentation using white space to define scope such as the scope of loops, function and classes. Other programming language often use curly bracket for this purpose. This is a small example of Python programming language. We want to print hello world, just print and in parentheses use hello world. As it is, this will be print. Here another example of Python language where uh, I have taken two numbers, number a is equal to 10 and number b is equal to 24. C is equal to a into b. This is third variable that store the multiplication of a and b, and the fourth variable d is store the divide of b divided by a, and e variable store a plus b means the sum of two variable, and average variable store e upon 2, it means store the average of these two numbers, right? So these are different variables, different value assigned to these variable. These are the arithmetic operators multiply, divide, plus. Now value assigned to the variable, calculation has been done logically. Now the turn to print. What we want to print? Multiply of two number, divide of two number, sum of two number, and average of two number. First of all, print multiply of two number is C. There is no need to write percentage D or percentage C like C language. Just simple print, start parenthesis, and multiply of two number is the code in double quotes, that will be print same as it is, and after comma C is a variable. The value of C, first the value of C is multiply, then the multiply of A and B will be print only. Print divide of two number and print sum of two number. All the numbers will be print like this, as we printed multiply of two numbers. Import the random module. This is a random module basically used in uh, to design games. What is the use of random module? First of all, you should know what is a module. Module is predefined coded file that we can import in our program, and further we can use the function of this module, any module, and we can take advantages, and we can save our time to do programming. This is a random module we import in our program, and then we print random dot randraise. It means we are using randraise function of random module. And 1 to 10 means 1 to 10 कोई भी random number generate हो जाएगा. Means the from this coding, from this two example, we can judge that this programming language is very simple as compared to other programming language. And why this is popular these days? This is popular these days due to simplicity, and due to simplicity and the characteristic of Python language, as this is using math library and numpy module that is very useful for data analysis. uh, all right.